What's up, sons? It's Blind Rod with Son of a Tech once again, and today I'm going to go over a little bit of how I basically secure some of my stuff, primarily because I lost my keys. My keys had my YubiKey on them, and I do have a backup for the YubiKey. Unfortunately, it is in a safe, so I need to go get my spare safe keys from another location, which is about an hour away from here. And then I will get into my safe, pull everything out of the safe, move safes, and then basically I have 2 more or 3 more YubiKeys on the way, and we'll have to go through and re-secure all the accounts with new YubiKeys. It's super stressful, and it is going to take like the whole day and most of the day tomorrow, so I figured I would vlog this process with you guys, so you guys get an idea of like what happens when you lose your keys or your YubiKeys. Luckily, as far as all of the private keys and all that, we have not lost anything as far as that goes. They are all in different safes and so on. So let's get into it. We're going to be hopping in the truck and going to grab the key. Hopefully it's still there. We will find out when we get there. And here's a word from our sponsor. At this point, most of you should be familiar with today's sponsor, PrimeXBT. As such, they want me to take this time to provide a short update on the PrimeXBT platform. If you remember, they have a fantastic copy trading module where you can follow the strategies of established traders. There has been massive volatility in the market recently, but you can find traders that make money on both sides of the market and follow their strategies. It doesn't matter if the market is going up or down, there are always opportunities. Pay attention to the descriptors. For example, if the word short is contained within the name, it's likely the trader is on the bearish side of the market, and during a falling market, it's better to follow a strategy where the trader leans towards trading bear markets. Register an account with PrimeXBT. Take a look and do your own research. The platform contains many statistics to help determine which trader suits your style, but ultimately it's your decision on how you invest. Remember, any form of investing comes with significant risks, so do your own research. Use promo code SONOFATECH at sign up for a 50% bonus. Alrighty. Well, let's get off of spot focus. So this camera is actually set up to record indoors. I wanted to try the 6400 for the vlog instead of the Panasonic, and we'll see how it goes. That being said, we're gonna get to driving soon if I can find my sunglasses. So, you know, we're losing everything today. Let me go see if I can find my sunglasses. It's gonna be one of those days, isn't it? Well, see you guys in a bit. All right, we found them. We're good to go. We're gonna head on and drive out. Like I said, we're trying this new camera. I don't have any mounts or anything, and there's no stabilization with this particular lens, which is kind of a problem, but it is what it is. We do have some videos that I need to do for Hive OS, so hopefully I will get everything sorted and start to be able to get back to a normal life schedule. It's been stressful. So I'm gonna get on to it and get on with it. I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, boys, so I realized I didn't have a key to get into where I need to get into because I lost my keys. So I'm working on something to figure that out. And then right now I just stopped at Academy since I'm in town. Let's see if that'll focus down. Yeah. And I'm gonna get a new safe because the safe I have right now is keyed to a key that's on my key ring. So for safety, we need to basically get another safe. So I'll be right back with a safe. Alrighty, so we did it. We picked up a safe from Academy. I don't know, what is this? A horny code. Anyways, biometric safe. This will be to replace the other safe. And that safe just keeps some basic essentials in it, nothing crazy. And we will go over the, yeah. We'll go over the contents of the safe when we get back, but we still got to go get the key. So I'm going to go do that now. What a fun day. Are you enjoying the vlog? I'm exhausted. Oh yeah, and wardrobe change. I got deodorant stains on my other shirt, so while I was in there, they still had these on sale. These little breathable, I don't know, the lav mic's not working, but the breathable polos, they're nice. Alrighty boys, we got the key. That Chevy AC ain't nothing to mess with. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, we got the key. We're about to head over and hopefully I'll be able to find the key to my safe, and then we'll head back and you get to see the contents of the safe, hopefully. Hey, all right, we're here. We're here. We're gonna go try to get the key so we can go home and open that safe and get into my YouTube account, I suppose. Oh, what a day. I figured a vlog like this is fun though. The ISO is gonna get all jacked up though right here. I will have to figure that out at some point. One key works. All right. The ISO is much more used to this kind of lighting, isn't it? We have auto ISO, but not quite set up that way. Okay. So we will be moving the hiding spot for this, but hopefully the key's in here. Key is not in here. Okie doke. Unless it's in this ice, which is possible. So I'm going to carry this out. Well, we are in a lot of trouble. A lot of trouble. Doesn't look like the key's in there. So I'm going to knock this ice out and maybe it'll be under the ice or defrosted all the way. I'm going to see if I have a hammer or something. Here's a chisel. This will probably work. Okay, change of plans. Okay, so change of plans, boys. What I figured out is that I did leave spares with my parents, so it's in their safe. So I'm gonna go grab those from them, and then we're gonna go unlock the safe. This is defrosting. So I'm gonna leave this to defrost, but I think the key's under here somewhere. It won't matter anymore later anyways, because we're switching cases. Alrighty, boys. It's the moment of truth. We're gonna go in and see if one of these keys works. And then hopefully I'll be able to get this video edited and uploaded for you guys. You ready to see what's in the safe? And then we got to get this other safe set up. It's pouring out. It is pouring. So Yay, let's do it. I'm locked out of my house. Oh, no, you don't. Hello. Dun, 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 dun. Alrighty. Let's do it. Oh, please work. Yes, we're in. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, look. Yes, I have a pistol. Don't worry about it. And some credit cards that we're going to have to blur out. All right. Some rounds. Trezor. And YubiKey, which is what I need to get videos uploaded. Let me get this unclipped. There we go. Well, make sure there's not one in the chamber, huh? All right, good to go. All righty, we are in. So the plan is now, by the way, the reason why you keep an extra YubiKey is not in case it breaks, but also in case you lose it. So down in the description, we'll have the affiliate links for YubiKeys. They're awesome. We'll be getting 2 more tomorrow. If you'd like a quick guide on how to set them up, let me know. That sounds like something I could do. We'll even use like this one. One of the things that we have to do is recover everything. So we'll have to go ahead and we got a crying kid out here, so we're gonna have to deal with it. And yeah, so it's been a crazy, crazy day. I have been out all day and I hope we can get this sorted and get rolling. I'm going to set up the other safe now, and then we will, I'm probably going to just do that process on my own in case you're the one that found my keys and you're coming for me. And then just so you guys know, essentially if you ever do lose a YubiKey like that, you need to replace them, reset them up with all your accounts, that sort of thing. That's what I'm going to have to go through at this point to ensure that we have, the proper security on all my accounts, including, of course, the Google accounts for YouTube's and the Twitch accounts, so on, so forth. Exchanges, even though I don't have much in exchanges, if anything in any of the exchanges, always good to just get rid of it and swap it over and make sure that it's good to go. So that's how my day went. Let me know how y'all's day went on your 4th of July down in the comment section below. I'll see you next Tuesday. If you enjoyed this content, you can watch more by clicking this playlist up here or go ahead and subscribe.